Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome to MCD Coins Updates. Today we will be drawing our dogs from the dog platform to Bybit. So when you come to your Bybit, you go to deposits, then you go to deposit crypto, and you go to the search bar whereby you will search for dogs, and it will come up. You go to please select your preferred pair, then you type in dogs. Type in dogs on capital letter. So it's already appearing there. You click on it. After it opens, you click on the turn. When you click on the turn, it opens up for you. So now click OK to ensure seamless deposit, whatever. So now you come here, the wallet address, you copy it. Get a pen beside you, and also you write that tag memo. That tag memo, please write it down, because before you will come back to you remove it and come back, it will restart again. Your Bybit will reload itself. So to help you not to have that issue, copy your wallet address, write out your tag memo, the numbers you see there, just write it out. So one thing we are going to do now, we are going to get our UID. Our UID, what to do, you come to your profile. You come to your profile. This is where your profile is. You can see it there. UID. Write it down. Just write your UID, because it's needed while filling your form in Telegram. So we've copied it now. So we are going to go back to Telegram. We'll come back to exchange, continue, Bybit, send here. Yes, I have. Now we'll go to the Bybit UID. You're going to the one you wrote down, your profile UID. You're going to write it down. 176 176 323 323 960 176 32 39 30. Then your dog address, you paste it here also. Then your memo, the one you wrote down, you type it also. So you click on send. So we see, I confirm. Deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20. Woof. So thank you for watching. Please know that you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel. Please click on the subscription button for more updates. Thank you very much. Love you. See you next time.